The Salesian Society of Don Bosco through Don Bosco High School Kohima have been educating the youth of Nagaland for the past 50 years. With the effort and request of the people and Catholic Elders Association of Kohima Village and to commemorate the bicentenary of the birth of Saint John Bosco, Don Bosco Village Kohima came into existence and was officially inaugurated and established on 31st August 2015. DBCK is affiliated to Nagaland University, offering Bachelor of Arts and Commerce with a total strength of 603 students in the academic year 2021-22. DBCK institutional distinctiveness as a Salesian by its nature, it is universal, open to all tribes and religion in and around the state. DBCK also encourages staff and students' participation and collaboration in governance. DBCK has a well-structured system of redressing grievances under the Bosco Internal Complaint Cell. As a Catholic institution, the institution strives to improve the faith of the students by organizing First Friday Mass for the Catholic students and fellowship for non-Catholic students. The institution has Jesus Youth and Youth for Christ under the wings of Bosco Spiritual Movement for encouraging evangelization. Bosco Spiritual Movement goes for outreach programs to prison, old age home, orphanage, villages, sharing about the Word of God. The biggest strength of DBCK is its preventive system based on three pillars, namely reason, religion, and loving kindness. DBCK is blessed with experience, dedication, and qualified faculty members. Currently, there are 26 teaching staff with 8 PhD holders. Bosco extension and enrichment activities of DBCK provide opportunities to students to put their studies into practice, as well as network with like-minded students and professionals. Provisions of various types of indoor, outdoor games and sports, as well as indigenous games for all students in the college for physical development is provided. To lead students closer to society, NXS programs or activities, mass social works, cleanliness drive, plantation of trees, flash mob are organized frequently by the college. In line with the college motto, duty and joy, and the three core values, that is spiritual commitment, accountability, and integrity, DBCK strives to keep the high sense of being responsible and dedicated in service of the state both in and off campus. DBCK is providing sufficient opportunities to all the students through various curricular, co-curricular, and extension activities.